Escape and Evasion Lesson 3. Customise if you can and if you have the time, the inside of your schmuck. Maybe you know you're going to have to drop your bergen and for some reason you're webbing. You know that you've been ordered to surrender, it happens, but you want to do a runner. Well, you've got your customised your hat, you've got your navigation with your secret compass, you've got a hat, warm hat, snood, you've got your gloves, you've got a penknife, you've got a small spearhead, you've got a lighter, a magic biscuit, you've got gloves, you've got a basic snack and a midgie head over. You've customised your uniform for your needs and your operational needs. However, think outside the box. Innovate, adapt, overcome, whatever your army's motto is. Oh, I've got a whistle here, but I've customised the inside of my jacket. Just like that. Strong duct tape on the cloth. Right, what have I got here? I'm going on the run now. I'm trying to hide from the enemy. But I've got chewing gum for dental hygiene and it helps you relax and concentrate. I've got paracetamols. I may have a sore head. I may be in pain. I've got steel wire. I can make a garrote, a weapon out of that. I've also got, of course, another lighter. What do I have here? A candle for helping starting fires. Basic illumination. What have I got in here? Oh, another compass. That's the reverse side. So another good compass there. Redundancy. That's that side. What have I got on this side? Let's see. Oh, I have tick removals. So basically for small ticks or large ticks, you're going to be out in the field. You may be out for a number of days. You don't want to get ticks. You don't want to get bitten. They can cause Lyme disease. And I think you'll carry that disease for the rest of your life. So a tick removal tool. What else do I have? Aha! I've got a 3-packet of, well, I've actually got water purification tablets in there. 10 tablets for 10 litres of water. You'll come across something with which to collect water and drink out of. Maybe you've got your Weber on you, maybe you've got your water bottle, either or. But on the back here, I've got 3 coffee filters for filtering the water. Or you could just use them together to form a cup and then pour the water into your mouth. What else have I got here? Oh, let me check here. If I can grab that. Get that one later. Laces. Your boots might be fucked. Or additional cordage. Basic cordage. Ah, this is what have I got here? It's a metal pencil sharpener for get small twigs, sharpen it like you would a pencil, get the shavings. It's good for tinder, helping you start fires. What have we got in here? These are expandable washcloths or toilet paper. You could wash with them or you could wipe your ass with them. You've still got to be needing to do peeps and poops. And, oh, I've got another hard plastic spearhead. Maybe fit that into the end of a branch or something. Maybe use your laces for your cordage. Maybe even try and seal it on with the wax from the candles. Also, the black duct tape acts as an emergency bandage or emergency plaster, and also fire tinder as well. For signal flares, or for creating a signal, or try to keep yourself warm. And last but not least, one of those fire striker sparker rods. There you go. Customised smock inside, outside, emergency whistle, emergency navigation, warm hat, snood, warm jacket, gloves, penknife, yada yada yada. Good.